Wait, Naya.
Can you guys stop?
Naya, you like right on the fucking truck. Wait, stop the car. Stop the car. Wait, 1 minute.
I'm asking, can you please stop? I'm trying to do it.
Trying to tell you something. I don't give a fuck what mommy did. You have to stay away from the lines. You have to stay in the middle of the lines.
Good morning, guys. It's me, Anyah, you know. So I'm about to drive. Move, Mom, hold this. Anyway,
listen, take your time.
Well, who got the seats back like that? So damn dumb. Shut up.
All right, so you're gonna record, but I'm gonna put you guys here so I can like actually.
Take your time. Go ahead, fix your mirrors, everything.
I got it. 1 second.
Don't push it with your hand. You can fix it with
I got
the
it.
switch.
Remember, the man told me I have to touch it so I can pass my test.
But you got to make sure you can see out of it.
I can.
She's driving the school, but not this car.
So yeah, we're taking another car. Where is my left signal? Well, I can actually go. Wait till he goes.
There she go. There she go. There you go. We moving. Nobody's there yet.
What?
Take your time.
Do that.
Just easy on the brakes, not too hard.
My bad. My bad, brother.
Slap.
Why did you come?
She's being nosy, like she always.
I was asking, come on, play with me. You told me to come.
I didn't tell you. Dad told you to come.
I said, don't start.
There's Daddy come. Hi.
You back up. Right, touch your wheel to the right.
I got it. Dang, we gotta let this car to first though. Come on, this is like my aunt's car, so we just take it. So basically, I'm driving this car. They gave it to. Oh, I found my earrings. That's what I needed.
Can you see better like that?
Oh, I can see. Yeah, it's better.
So what you're saying you can't see for?
That one. There's gonna be right there.
You got it from here, you want me to do it from your truck?
Dad, I got it.
Alright, there's a lot of traffic. I'm just trying to find out. Part 2. Don't hit that Benz. Slow coming out of here. You won't hit that truck, okay? Stop. Right. Take your time. Always taking your time, okay? You clear that. You can go out. You clear that.
I'm clear?
Take your time. This car's coming. Wait. See that truck?
I'm gonna go straight.
You wanna go straight? Okay.
Yeah.
This is gonna do it. You. Wait, Naya.
Can you guys stop?
Naya, you like right on the fucking truck. Wait, stop the car. Stop the car. Wait, 1 minute. You too close to that truck. You didn't touch it. Wait.
Don't move the car.
Wait. Hold on. Listen.
Can you guys stop?
Just shut the fuck up for 1 second. I'm gonna get you off it. Wait. Just wait. Here, let me get you out of here now.
Wait, why?
Because you're right on the truck. Just stop. Pull over here for a second. Take your seat over. Here. No, wait. Just put the car in reverse. Put the car in reverse. Step on the brake. Put it in reverse. Alright, hold on. Alright, let's go back a little bit. Stop. Wait. Slide real quick. Wait, give it a minute. Give me a second. Yeah. This is truck. That's it. That truck. That's it.
Stuff like that, you have to come all the way out.
No, don't worry about it.
Can we stop at Dunkin' Donuts?
No.
Why? We did that before.
Oh, it's up to you. But listen.
Cover your logo.
Alright.
Record the thing. Make sure you're recording right.
Take your time, okay? When you're on stuff like that, When I said you were clear, I thought you were gonna leave the wheel turned so you can come all the way out, but you turned it back in. When you're on stuff like that, come all the way out.
Alright, my bad. That was me.
Just take your time, don't worry about it. But you gotta get to school?
Nice. School starts at 8 o'clock for me.
Pay attention, okay? Enough taping. Taping up. Move over from this truck. Move over from this truck.
Too close?
Yeah, ain't too close. You gotta move away from the stuff. Away, over here.
Oh, wait, that one.
Next to the
Not
bus.
too much, but what I'm saying is away from these cars. Over now. Don't hit this truck.
Over here. I'm behind the bus. We're live. What, Mom? I can hear something out the radio. It's on. Can you? Are you ready?
Wait, don't turn yet. When you get a chance. Wait, Naya, please. Naya, because you're doing the
Mom
wrong
didn't do all this stuff when she was driving with me. That's what I'm asking. Can you please stop? I'm trying to do it.
Yeah, you're trying to do it, but you have to listen. When
I am.
Please stop talking for a second. I'm not Mom, okay?
Can you have Mom sit in the front because it was?
No, I can't.
Because then why? Because then you're arguing with me the whole time. Like I can't drive. Like literally, it's getting on my nerves a little bit. I understand you're trying to show me how to do it, but come on.
But you have to listen.
I am.
Shut up for a second, because you're not listening. I'm trying to tell you something. I don't give a fuck what Mommy did. Okay, you asked me. Did you ask your mother? Did you ask me? You asked me, so I'm trying to tell you. You have to stay away from the lines. You have to stay in the middle of the lines. You have to stay away from the cars on the side. That's what I'm telling you. If you don't do that, you're going to hit them. I don't care what Mommy did. I'm telling you. I'm not arguing with you. I'm trying to tell you. Listen. That's what the problem is. You don't listen. Just listen. That's it. I'm letting you drive, do your thing, but just stay away from the cars and stuff like that. That's what I'm saying.
Mom,
That's what I'm saying to you. I don't give a fuck what she did. It's what I'm doing. You shouldn't have asked me. I'm helping you out. Now just stay away from that stuff. That's it. I had the same problem. Because you're not used to it. So you don't know how far to stay away. I'm telling you. That's it. Instead of arguing, me, just listen. You don't know how close you are. You hit the mirror, hit it or something like that, and it's a problem. I'm telling you. So you get good. You have to listen to people so that it'll stay in your mind and you get it. I'm not arguing with you.
Ariel. So hi, can I please get a medium toasted omelet?
Hot coffee.
Hot coffee. Cream.
With 5 sugars.
With 5 sugars. Yeah. Do you want anything? All right.
Breakfast?
That's what I asked. Do you want anything? All right. Great. Can I also get an everything bagel toasted? Not toasted. Just an everything bagel toasted, not too dark, medium.
Yeah, we get everything bagel too. I'm sorry.
Huh?
With what?
With cream cheese. Can I get 2 of those, please? You want yours?
Toasted.
Yes.
And get a plain bagel toasted dark with butter and jelly.
And also, can I please get a plain bagel toasted dark with butter and jelly?
Plain bagel toasted dark, butter and jelly.
And last but not least, can I get you want? That's it. All right. Last but not least, can I please get the cake batter ice sugar latte, please?
Okay.
Medium. That's my card. You can go back. Thank you. Sorry for stature. Put this in my bag. Guess how much I paid for Browder's folders? 43 cents.
That was good, I'm telling you.
Were they nice?
They were nice. They must
I'm
have
gonna go
been
get more than. They got a lot of stuff on sale.
It was all the way in the back. No, it was just the folders in the back, 43 cents.
You should have got more.
I got like 5. Huh? Oh, okay, cool.
You gonna eat this when you get to school, man?
No, I'm gonna eat it now.
I'm so excited. You told everybody it was super private.
What is that?
We need a straw. Do you see a straw in the bag?
You got everything?
Chuck, do you have the 2 bagels?
What up? What else? You got everything?
Give me a second. I'm trying to check. You can wait.
Go back to the building. I got the rest of the
Wait, I
You
need
gotta
to.
go quick and good.
You gotta wait because this truck you can't see around. I don't know why they park their trucks like that.
Wait, how we going to see?
You can't see.
It's clear now.